I have 60,000 followers approximately right now. 60,000 followers on this TikTok. If I want to increase from this 60,000 to 100,000 in the next 1 week, that is not hard. It's going to cost me, let's say, I'm talking about legitimate followers. It's going to cost me like approximately 250k, which is not a problem. Do you know what I will do? I will just come here, arrange 5,000. How many 5,000 do we have in 250k? That's about 20, 40. That's 45 or 50 for 5,000. So all I need to do is to do giveaway and give 50 people 5,000. So today I give maybe like 75k, 5,000. Say your account number. I'll give. People will be following. I will do screen record. I will do video of people I give. I will talk to people. Hey, where are you living? How's your family? Hey, yeah, okay. Let me give you 100, maybe 90,000. Oh, let me give you 40,000. I would have done live for like 30 minutes. Then I will pick somebody, capitalize on the emotion, capitalize on the poverty of the person, and do a video of it and give the person 100,000. They say, that boy they give, they do give away. People will now start joining my life. I will not say your account details. You will see my life. People will be sending account details. The whole idea is to use the people. So you will not give one person maybe 100,000. You do a video, screenshot it, put it everywhere. You give 100,000. The person's story will be very emotional. The boy was suffering. He was in the hospital. That guy is a good. Before you know, I will have thousands of followers, maybe 10,000 for the first day. They will start sharing the video. The video will be trending. Then I will not do another one the next day. You give another maybe 120,000. Then maybe the third day you give. At the end of the day, you shall give 300,000. How much is 300,000? The whole goal is to use these people to build the account, to have followers, to be making more money on the behind. Then you build high profile daddy. Then you now have people that will say, I like what he's doing. Let me support that girl that you gave 100,000. I like that girl. They will now reach out to me. People will now start giving me money to give to the girl. Now, or the boy, I gave maybe 120k, right? I will now receive maybe like 3 million. Is it not the one I tell you, know? So I now come out and tell the girl that, all the gifts that everybody gave, everything is 670,000. Meanwhile, I received 3 million. Out of the 3 million, after giving her 600,000, I have another 400k now to do giveaway again. I'll continue giveaway. People that are collecting are happy, but I'm using them. After I do giveaway, when I finish giveaway again, there's somebody I will now make sure I will target another person. Maybe somebody that just gave birth, the husband ran away. We're so sorry. My followers, please let's support. Let's give this lady. International community, very emotional. That's very powerful. Then I will now put my account number. People will now start giving. That's what most people do. So no offense to them. That's what they want to do. No problem. So